Once the prisoner of tribe Tai were brought to the beloved Prophet ﷺ, a girl prisoner stood up and humbly said, "O Muhammad ﷺ, if you consider it better, free me, and do not make the tribes of Arab laugh at me, because I am the daughter of Hatim Tai, the chief of my tribe. Undoubtedly, my father used to support his tribe, free prisoners, satiate the hungry, spread salam, and never let any needy person go back without fulfilling his need." The beloved Rasul ﷺ said, "O girl, this is the attribute of those who have true faith. If your father had been Muslim, I must have made dua of mercy for him." He ﷺ then said, "Free this girl because his father used to like good manners, and Allah Azza wa Jal also likes good manners. I swear to the one in whose power my soul is, only well-mannered person will enter paradise." Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala.